Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I make one of these straps with the lobster claw for one of my bags that I stitch up. So, very simple. I'll show you how I do it, tell you where I get the materials, and what I'm going to use. Very simple, very easy. So I happen to buy pre-made type ribbon vinyl. They call this a PU layering ribbon. I get it from AliExpress or DIY ribbon. You can get it. It's actually from, China. I'll give you more information down below if you want to ask for it. Just hit me up and I'll give you some info. So I happen to buy 2 rolls, one in black, one in white, make it simple. And this is how they come. So I'm gonna, or you can use your own vinyl as well. This is like a piece of vinyl that one of the bags or our keychains are made out of. So you can cut your own piece if you'd like also, and you can use that. So I actually have a punch. This does the hole punch, or there's actually the hole punch and the rivet setter from Dritz. I happen to buy this from Hobby Lobby, along with the rivets that I got too. You can get it at Joann's Fabric as well. You can get it online as well too. There's quite a few places. Just ask down below and I'll give you some information for it. My scissors, my hammer. You can also use your press or a cam snap press or hand press if you have that. That works as well. I'm going to actually do it the old-fashioned way to show you in case you don't have all those other tools. And I've got lobster claws. I'm going to make one of each color because I have 2 bags that I have to make them for. So they're very simple. I'll show you. So I start with 15 inches of the ribbon. And I'm going to cut it. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'll add my lobster claw. I fold up on the inside, so you can see this one here. I fold up the inside and then I bring it down and I leave the open end going downwards. And kind of like line it right up with the lobster claw. So I fold over about 3/4 of an inch and then I come straight over top of it with the other end. That way when you have the handbag or you've got it around your wrist and it's hanging, the end won't be at the top and get caught. It's down at the bottom, so it's not going to get caught on anything while you're holding on to it. So that's why I leave the ribbon. See if I can show you. I leave this ribbon going down. So this is what it would look like sideways. Hope you can see that. So I have the one piece come around the lobster claw. And then I take the other piece and lay it right on top. And then I'm going to, right above it, in the middle, make sure I get all 3 layers. I'm going to punch my hole. And I'm going to use the punch. I have it on 1/8 inch. That's the hole that we need to put in here. Make sure I line it up right in the middle. See? And a little bit off. So make sure we're right in the middle, lined up, close enough, got all 3 layers in there. And I'm going to punch right through it. And hear it snap. It went all the way through. And it did leave a hole for me. There we go. So there's the hole. You can kind of see through it. There's the hole. I'm going to take my rivets, and there's 2 parts to it. There's the cap part and this part here. I don't know if you can see it. The cap part. And then there's the actual snap part that's got the male part. So I'm going to put the male part in so that it goes through all 3 layers. Should come out the other end. There's the top. And there. And I'm going to put the button part. And this one, a little bit of a snap, but it's still not together, but it's enough snap that it kind of keeps it there for you. Hold the 2. This would be the loud part. So you've got the bottom part. And I mean, there's a flat side and there's a divot side. The divot side is where your rivet's going to go in. Then you've got your tool that's got the divot part and a flat part. So the divot part obviously goes on top of your divot. So you make sure it's set in there. And you have your other piece on top. You don't need a whole lot of hammering, just enough to set it. And we're set, and you can tell by how far it's smushed into your vinyl or into your strap. And you always want to test it just to make sure it's good, set, and there you go. All perfect. That'll be good. And then I'm going to do a white one too. I'll do one more, show it to you again. So we're at 15 inches. Very quick and easy. Lobster claw. Fold up. Fold it down. Pop the hole. I have to press down to give it some leverage a little bit. Get that piece out of there. There we go. There's the hole. Little cap on. Set it. And it's all set. Very easy, very quick, simple. There we go. How to make a strap for your wrist bags, handbags, any type of bag. We have a little D-ring. And they clip right on. Whoop. The perfect bag. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for more fun videos. Meet you at the cutting table.